montage clips. Jared likes a glove. We've made a stupid purchase. So why are we up this early on a Sunday? We're actually behind schedule, should actually already be on the road, but we'll show you why we're up this early on a Sunday in just a second. But first, I need some fucking caffeine. So, trailer's on. Means one thing. Made a stupid purchase. Cut day a week later, and Jared likes a glove. But we also bought a fucking 2-post lift, boys. Right. There is lift. There's and lift in the workshop, which also means workshop rearrangements. That's all part of the fucking fun. So there's zero footage of us getting the ramp because we had to dismantle it in the boys' shed, and then under time constraints, and then getting down the road was just one shit show after another. So here we are, a week later. It's here, and we are installing.
1 week later.
1 week later.
With one extremely late night.
One very fucking time we leave here last night, fucking 1:30 in the morning or something.
I didn't get home to 2. Up again at fucking 8 or 9.
Mad. But all needs rearranged and organised and sorted.
If anybody's looking at jobs,
hi, come down here and do this. Although by the time the video's out, that'll be finished and it's redundant. But
no,
you know,
we still need a lackey for tidying.
Tidying and videoing. Because if we had somebody with us that was videoing, then we would have got shots of loading this beast.
To be fair, I probably see the video, but like, let's be honest, you don't want it.
I wanna.
When they're home. Wow, man, no difference.
No difference at all. Yeah, I might need to fucking manoeuvre the lights about and stuff, but well, there is an ramp in the workshop.
I was gonna say that they fucking.
So obviously we still need to finish tidying the rest of the place, but first test of the ramp. Used a good guinea pig because no one cares if this thing falls. I'll just put you up into the car here real quick. Hello. Oh, it's so sick. So there, that's it. That's the latest edition. Latest bit of toolage. Try all the new toys. Transmission jack. Oh, it's so fucking sick, man. It's gonna make life so much easier. Well worth the early morning start. All the fucking The fuckery getting back down the road. Alright. Just the rest of it they go. Find a balancer at home. And run the lines to the tire machine. Some more organisation. We're going to do a couple of ups and downs just to confirm it's working. So we're just going to plonk you guys right there. And you can go along for the ride. Settlement. There we go, we're done. Is that fun?